Okay, this is Bob at Abbeon. We're doing some testing today on some material with our V1 blade. We're going to try some various blades to see how quickly we can cut through the material.
Turn that up a little bit.
Just cutting and sealing the edges. Doing our second test cut with the Zetz24 thermocutter on our frayed material here. This time with a TO1345 blade. Temperature setting is about 50%. We want to go to just where the blade gets red hot and not too hot, that it's going to burn it. There we go. Cut and seal the edges. Alright, this is our third test. This time we're doing a TO1 blade. It's a hook blade. We've got the little more tension on the material. We've got it secured on both sides so we can use the hook blade for the cut. And again, this is our Zetz24. If we want to automate this operation, we would use a Zetz25, which is a similar cutter, but it's made to be mounted robotically. The blade does tend to lose a little heat as they're cutting. It dissipates into the material, but I think we've got it set, so it's
It does melt together.
you got to separate the material during the cutter and melt back together, but it is sealed on the edges. Okay, this is our last test cut. We're using this time a TO6 blade on our fabric with the Zetz24 thermocutter. It's a very thick fabric, so it takes a little while to get through it. Sometimes we have to make a heat adjustment as we're going here since we are in testing phase, but once you know what heat setting is good, then you can just stick with that setting. This is a thinner blade. It does seem to be taking a little longer.